So my program is that merge the two lists using the for loop or naive method, you can say, in Python. So test underscore list one is equal to 10 comma 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma 14. Test underscore list two equal to 20 comma 21 comma 22 comma 23 comma 24. So we are trying to merge those things, right? I in test underscore list two, then test underscore list one dot append of I, print of after merging the two lists, test underscore list one. After merging two lists 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 20, 31, 32, 23, 24. So we are trying to merge those things using the append method. We are trying to iterate those elements from the list two elements one by one. We are trying to add to the list one. So like this, we can append like one list element to the another list. So trying, this is the one way we can add, like multiple ways are there. This is the one way. Okay. Thank you.